बेटा मैं कह रहा था कि मैं तो सेम ही लिंक शेयर करूंगा, अगर एक डिवाइस पे खुल रही है तो लिंक की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये जिस डिवाइस पे आपकी ऐप है उसकी प्रॉब्लम हो गई। तो लैपटॉप पे व्हेन यू आर क्लिकिंग द लिंक, आई एम श्योर यू आर गेटिंग टू ऑप्शंस, वन इज लॉन्च द ऐप एंड अदर इज जॉइन ऑन ब्राउजर, राइट?
करेक्ट सर, करेक्ट।
सो आप ब्राउजर से कोशिश करो, ब्राउजर के थ्रू ज्वाइन करो।
ठीक है सर, वही करता हूँ। फोन चल रहा है, लैपटॉप नहीं चल रहा।
सर मेरा भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था बट मैंने रीस्टार्ट कर लिया तो हो गया, ठीक हो गया।
हाँ, तुम टीम्स को बंद करके एक बार ऐप को ही दोबारा खोलो। You might have minimized the app and you may not have closed the app yesterday. ठीक है, जैसे मैं भी मिनिमाइज करके छोड़ देता हूँ, बट कभी ग्लिच आती है, then I close the app and then reopen the app, right? या लैपटॉप को ही पूरे, अगर कोई भी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम तो लैपटॉप को एक बार रीस्टार्ट कर लो, ठीक है?
ओके सर, मैं लैपटॉप रीस्टार्ट
लिंक की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी बेटा, अगर एक डिवाइस पे खुल रहा है then link is fine, you know?
करेक्ट।
करो फटाफट। Still a couple of minutes.
Sir, can you please share the answer for yesterday's assignment question number 5 and 6?
Was it not there, beta? Was it there in the question or no?
No, sir, it was not there.
No, sir,
Guys,
not
can you
there.
share? Then I would not have, beta. अगर जो थे मैंने डाल दिए थे आंसर्स, आप अगर मैच करके डाल दोगे तो then for going forward I can add them there. If I have not mentioned, that means I must not be having those answers, beta.
Number 5, I can tell you that that new course to steer was 263° true.
Why don't you take a picture and post?
Sir, it's coming
Sure,
265 new course and
I will
time
do
is
that.
coming
Yeah,
38.
262, 265. I think that could be the plotting difference.
And time is 38 minutes.
Yes, that is correct. 1839 you can take.
We are
Achha, you are talking of that pilot dropping, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That comes 1839, 1840, 1841, something like that.
Yes, sir. 1838.
It's about 40 minutes. It's 40 minutes about approximately.
Yes, sir. We are getting 38.
People get up to 1841, 42 also, depending on the plotting error, right?
Okay, sir. And
Yeah, it's about 40 minutes of run. So 1840 के आसपास.
Number 6, sir. Set and drift is coming 277° set and drift is coming 1.9 nautical miles.
बेटा बेस्ट रहेगा तुम क्वेश्चन वाइज आंसर लिख के ना ग्रुप पे शेयर कर दो, पीपल विल बी एबल टू मैच एंड कमेंट बेटर, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
हाँ, वो बेटर रहेगा।
आंसर 6228 एंड CTS 220।
यस सर, अभी आ गई है स्क्रीन। थैंक यू।
ओके, वेरी गुड, ओके। Okay, guys, before I start with the today's topic, let me see how many are yet to come in. Okay, more or less everybody is there, barring 4 or 5 of you. First, I'll take some typical questions based on my experience. If there is anything more which you comes across, I can take them anytime.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, before you start, sir, I have one issue. Yesterday, I was booking TCN paper for the month of January, and by mistake I missed to book the orals. I had to book the orals as well. But now, as I cannot make another request for the month, so sir, what is the procedure to follow? I wanted to book oral as well.
Beta, I would not be able to. I'm not the right person, honestly, for MMD procedure. Can somebody help him?
Sir, only one request per month. If it is gone, it is gone.
Next month, sir, only
Actually,
possible.
Okay,
see,
next.
which MMD
That's what,
applied?
but I'm actually not the right person, honestly. But this is what others in the group are saying, so they must be aware of it.
Yes, only one request can be made in the month.
Okay.
You have to book
fine.
next time.
One request, only one request.
ठीक है बेटा. Okay, now guys, these are based on some past papers. Some are maybe from second mates, somewhere others here and there. One is this question, not related to this chart, but I'll approximately do it somewhere here. Can you see the screen, please? Can you confirm if you're seeing the screen?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. As I said, 3-point bearing, I need to discuss something more. Yesterday, I told you 3-point bearing, you may have all the 3 bearings from the same point, then it is very evident, or you could have the option of converting certain questions into 3-point bearing. Here is a different question altogether. Following bearings were observed by a ship. Hope knows 260 degrees compass, it doesn't matter which chart they are. The NES 301 and straight point 003 compass. The position was plotted with above bearings. So you plotted the compass bearings because you thought there is no compass error. However, it results in a cogdat. Why it will result in a cogdat? Because bearings are wrong. Yes or no, beta? Because you should have been plotting the true bearings, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Resolve the cogdat and from the position thus obtained, lay courses to reach pilot boarding ground. So last part is secondary. What he says, get the position by resolution of the cogdat. It's a chart work question. Now, I don't know if Sunil has done resolution of cogdat in navigation. Have you reached that topic? Yes or no?
No, sir, not yet.
Not yet, no, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now, whatever
Tomorrow,
he will do, that is totally different from this. So don't get confused when he's doing something and say, don't get confused with what I'm telling you in chart work. What Captain Sunil would do with you is resolution of celestial cogdat. That means a cogdat made by cogdat made by celestial PLs. So he'll be doing this part with you. Okay, beta? Okay, so don't get confused. What we are talking about is we are talking of resolution of a terrestrial cogdat. Why I'm telling you like this is because when he starts teaching you his topic, some of you may try to link this to that topic and then you may be finding that the processes are totally different and then you may start having doubt. So whatever I have said, is that clear? We are talking of resolution of cogdat because of terrestrial PLs obtained by terrestrial observation. He'll be dealing with cogdat, which is the celestial cogdat, right, beta? Is that clear? Am I clear, bacho? So we are talking.
chart work, the celestial cogdat is not coming.
Beta, celestial PLs का बनेगा तो then whatever Captain Sunil teaches that will apply to those cogdats. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What this question is referring to is the bearings of the terrestrial landmarks, and hence we can call it as a terrestrial cogdat, a cogdat made by terrestrial PLs, right? Clear? So basically your cogdat if I broadly talk about it, it can be celestial cocked hat. We can just call them like this, or it could be terrestrial. Celestial cocked hat would be taught to you by Captain Sunil as to how celestial cocked hat, how you resolve to find the position in a celestial cocked hat will be covered by Captain Bhaba. Now the same thing, if it happens in chart work, then you apply, then you know how to resolve the celestial cocked hat. What I am going to cover with you is the terrestrial cocked hat. Okay, beta. Now you see, here we have 3 compass bearings of 3 points. With these 3 bearings, tell me, can you get the position of the ship from whatever you have learned until this point in time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which method?
Yes.
No, sir.
HSA.
Horizontal angle, right?
Yes,
You will
sir.
have make 2 pairs. Each pair will give you 1 PC. You'll get 2 position circles. Intersection will give you the position. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
We
sir.
are going to get the same circles. Which circles? The circles which we got through horizontal angle. Same circles we'll get. So then you'll say, what is the difference? The difference is in obtaining the center of the circle. Circles will be same, position will be same. The method of obtaining the center differs. That's all. Understood? Understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do we get the center then? Like, let us say these are the 3 lighthouses and these are the compass bearings. What have I done? I have plotted the compass bearings. All through I have been saying on the chart, compass bearings not to be plotted. But for this topic, you'll have to plot the compass bearings. Okay, guys? So when you are doing resolution of the terrestrial cocked hat, that is an exception in which the compass bearings have been plotted. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And since compass bearings have an error which has not been accounted for, they do not meet at one point, and this yellow shaded triangle, I'm sure all of you know, is what you call as the cocked hat. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. If it was related to horizontal angle, then what will you do? You will make 1 pair here. Ship is on this side somewhere. This is the horizontal angle at the ship between these 2 bearings. You'll make, this is theta 1, 90 minus theta, you'll draw here. You'll get the center. With center as the circle, you'll be able to draw the circle, and the circle will pass through these 3 points. This is how you would have done by horizontal angle. Am I clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will get the same center and you'll get the same circle. Only the method of getting the center will differ. Okay. Now you see A, B, C. What is A? One of the lights. What is B? What is B? Another light. What is C? Where the compass bearings of these 2 lights are meeting. Yes or no, beta? And ABC is a triangle, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what do you see? This circle is touching A, passing through B, and passing through C. A, B, C. In a triangle, when you draw a circle like this inside the triangle, this is called as incircle. That means circle inside the triangle. When you draw a triangle in geometry like this is called circumcircle. I think some of you may be able to recall from your school days. Circumcircle. So basically we have to draw a circumcircle through what? Through the 2 points whose compass bearings are taken, and the third is the point where the compass bearings intersect. And how do we find the center of this circumcircle in geometry? From school we have learned, beta. You take the perpendicular bisector of the three sides. Perpendicular bisector of side 1, perpendicular bisector of side 2, perpendicular bisector of side 3. They will all intersect at one point, and this is the circumcenter. Circumcenter means center of the circumcircle. And you'll get the same center, guys, as this. So basically, you will get the center of the circle by use of concept of circumcircle and circumcenter. So we will get the circumcenter, and with that center we'll draw the circles and we'll get the position. So what is it that we are going to do? And position will be same as you would have got by horizontal angle, mind you. But since the question has specifically used the word by resolution of the cocked head, then you can follow this procedure which I am telling you now, beta. Okay. Now
sir,
first we have taken
doubt
this
tha.
set. What is, oh, it has gone off, is it? 1 second. Okay. 1 second.
सर एक डाउट था
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
सर अगर क्वेश्चन में कॉकटेट कुछ मेंशन नहीं किया सो कैन वी सॉल्व
तो
इट बाय
आप हॉरिजॉन्टल एंगल से कर दो ना, या इससे कर दो, आपकी मर्जी है.
ठीक है सर.
Okay, but why you want to draw compass bearings unnecessarily? Horizontal angle is always more convenient, na?
जी सर.
Okay, so but this is only we are doing because he's mentioned in one of the papers that came, if you see through the old papers. So in the first case, we have taken the pair of Ness and straight point. This is the compass bearing of straight point. This is the compass bearing of Ness. And where do the two intersect? The two intersect at this point C. Yes or no, beta? Correct? So we have to basically find a circle passing through A, B, and C. That is the circle. What will we do? We can bisect any two sides of this triangle, perpendicular bisectors. In geometry, you know how to bisect a segment. If you have to bisect a segment, beta, what do you do? Suppose I have to bisect this segment AY. What do? You open your compass more than half the length of XY. Open the compass more than half the length of XY. Keep your compass on X and put these two arcs, one on each side. Then with the same opening, without changing the opening, put your compass on Y and cut them here, right? And when you join these 2 points, that becomes the perpendicular bisector. Remember how to get the perpendicular bisector of a segment, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. So we can find the perpendicular bisector of any two segments, AC, BC, and AB, any two lines. The best would be to avoid confusion. Basically, you can use any two, it doesn't matter. You can use this one, you see, BC. What have I done? Opened it equal to greater than BC, half of BC. Cut these two arcs, and this blue line is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Exactly the same way. So, okay, this is the perpendicular bisector of line AB. I have not drawn these arcs. Again, you'll cut these arcs here, and you'll be able to get the perpendicular bisector. So this is the perpendicular bisector of BC. This is the perpendicular bisector of AB. And where do they meet? They meet at C, they cut at C1. This C1 is the same center which you would have got the other way also. So now with C1 as center, open it to A or B, and then draw only this much of the circle on the side on which the ship exists. Only draw this much of the circle, no need to draw this one. And this becomes 1 PC. Understood, beta, how the PC has been obtained? The center has been obtained differently, correct?
Yes, sir.
But mind you, had you found the horizontal angle and drawn it 90 minus theta, that will also come and meet at C1 only. Center is good because the circle is same, center will be same, radius will be same. Only the way center has been obtained is different. Is that clear? Am I clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Angle bisector से हो सकता है.
No, not angle bisector. Perpendicular bisector of the sides. We have not bisected angle.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. We have
Sir,
not bisected any angle. We have bisected basically the perpendicular bisector of the sides. In this case, we have bisected BC and AB. The yellow line is the perpendicular bisector of side AB, and the blue line is the perpendicular bisector of side BC. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Now I can take another pair. Let us say Ness and Hope Nose. That means, and now this is the compass bearing of the Ness. This is the compass bearing of Hope Nose. Where do they intersect? They intersect here. So now I have this triangle. Which triangle? A, D, E. And what do? I find perpendicular bisector of DE. I find perpendicular bisector of AD. C2 is the center of the circle. With C2 as the center and open it to D or A radius, you draw only this part of the circle from here to here. This is the second position circle, beta, that you have got. Which was the first position circle? First position circle, let me change to some other color, maybe green, and mark the position circle. The first position circle that we were talking about, this was the first position circle. So this green position circle and the red position circle, they intersect at Ness. The ship cannot be here. Other point they intersect is here. This is the position of the vessel then. Is that clear, beta?
Sir, can you please explain this second position circle? There was a lag, sir, so I couldn't get.
Beta, the way you drew the first position circle, same way you have drawn the second position circle. How did you draw the first one? Exactly the same way. Tell me.
Sir, इसमें bisect कौन से वाला किया है? AD and DE, right?
Which is the triangle made by the bearings of Ness and Hope Nose? Which triangle do they make? Their bearings.
AE and D. AE and
AED. So you can bisect any two sides. I have bisected AD. This is the perpendicular bisector of AD, and this is the perpendicular bisector of DE.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Giving you C2 as the center. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Clear.
With C2 as the center and radius open from C2 to A or C2 to D, this red circle, which is up to this, don't draw this part of the circle, no need. This gives you the second position circle. Class, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please put somewhere a remark in your notebooks which you can refer to before going for exam. Resolution of terrestrial cocked hat, so that the topic sounds familiar to you. You are able to revisit it and you are able to recall what was told to you. So please make a note somewhere so that on the just before the exams, you do not forget this. So if the question specifically says, find the position by resolution of the cocked hat, then you will have to basically find the same center as you would have got through horizontal angle, but it will be found by finding the circumcenter of the triangles formed with the compass bearings of a pair of lights, and each triangle will give you one PC, and intersection of the PCs will give you the position of the vessel. Is that clear, bete? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear,
Yes, sir.
ओके, कहीं लिख लो, इसको भूल जाओगे एग्जाम से पहले, नहीं तो बेटा जल्द पता क्या होता है, अगर एग्जाम से पहले एक दिन पहले भी देख लेना, हाँ यार terrestrial cocked hat resolution we had done, and you'll quickly run through in your mind, and then you know the process that has to be followed. Otherwise, it will just fade off. So please make a note somewhere.
So for this first position circle, we can take radius equal to A or B, correct, sir?
Radius from C, beta, if C is the center, and if the circle has to pass through A, B, C, then you can take it to any of these 3 points, because it has to pass through A, B, C, all of them, right?
Okay, sir.
They'll all be the same distance from C1, na?
Understood, sir.
I know the circle. Blue circle has the center C1, and blue circle is supposed to pass through A, B, and C, right? So that
Sir.
means
Yes, sir.
distance of from C1 to A will be same as distance to B and same as distance to C, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, beta?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, fine. So that is the first question I wanted to draw your attention to. Resolution of the terrestrial cocked hat.
The position will always come outside the cockpit.
Beta, there is no such thing whether it will come outside or not. In this, it is definitely coming outside. That will be in celestial cocked hat, where they'll say if the bearings are apart by more than 180 or less than 180 inside or outside. That's out for celestial cocked hats, right?
So inside के लिए the method is different. Like in second mate when we did, then we used to bisect.
अरे यार भाई, मैंने शुरू में क्या कहा था? What you're talking about is resolution of celestial cocked hat. Were you there when I was talking of celestial and terrestrial?
Yes, sir, I was there.
My dear friend, in celestial cocked hat, you will basically be doing by bisecting angles. Whether you bisect internal angles or you bisect external angles, correct?
Yes, sir.
So there, you're in any case bisecting angle, whether it is inside the triangle or outside the triangle, right?
Yes, sir. But in this case, में तो then never the position will never come inside the cockpit, no?
So let it never come. Never mind. I have not thought that far whether it can come inside or not. So if it doesn't come, let it not come, beta. I'll be very honest. I have not thought that far whether it will lie inside or not. Whether it lies inside or outside, irrespective of that, this will be the method. That's all I can say, because I'll have to think through before I make a blanket statement that it will always fall outside, right? If it falls outside, it's fine. Okay, so honestly, I've not thought that far. Can there be a situation when it can come inside? I've not done that much of homework on this. Okay, beta?
Yes,
okay.
sir, yes.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry whether it is inside or outside. The method will remain this only, right? For terrestrial cocked hat.
Understood.
Okay, fine.
नोट करने
हाँ, कर लो, क्या करना कर लो बेटा, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो और इसको कहीं रख लेना, इस पे लिख लो रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ टेरेस्ट्रियल कॉग्ड, ताकि तुम्हें टॉपिक याद रह जाए, बाकी तो तुम देख के समझ में आ ही जाएगा.
सर आई हैड अ डाउट इन दिस. सर अगर ये हॉरिजॉन्टल एंगल के जैसे पीसी बन रहा है तो व्हाई डोंट वी यूज हॉरिजॉन्टल एंगल ओनली?
बेटा कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बस ये है कि किसी ना किसी बुक में लिख दिया दिस इज रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ कॉग्ड hat, नाउ पीपल आर गोइंग बाय दैट.
अच्छा, ओके.
बस
Because
I am just hedging the risk for exams, that's all.
अच्छा, ओके.
अब मैं वहां हॉरिजॉन्टल एंगल से करूंगा, उसने अगर मान लो किसी लकीर के फकीर ने तुम्हें 0 दे दिया तो तुम्हारी तो बैंड बच जाएगी ना 30 नंबर के.
यस सर.
So I'm just hedging the risk against adverse marking, beta. Otherwise position will be same whether I get by horizontal angle or I get through this method. How does it matter? As a seafarer, I should be able to get my position, right?
Yes, sir.
Why should I do the same thing in 20 different ways to get the same position?
Yes, sir.
Right? So it beats logic, but unfortunately, I'm sure if किसी book में किसी ने कर दिया हुआ resolution of the terrestrial cocked hat, then somebody has picked up from there. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
in this case, if horizontal angle is less than 90, then
बेटा कुछ भी किसी भी तरह करो, सर्कल तो इधर ही ड्रॉ होगा ना, तो बिकॉज़ शिफ्ट तो इसी साइड होगा ना इनमें.
हाँ, वो तो समझ गया सर मैं. सर मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, अगर जब भी हम हॉरिजॉन्टल एंगल करते हैं, जस्ट टू डबल चेक, तो इफ व्हेन हॉरिजॉन्टल एंगल इज लेस देन 90, तो एंगल परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर करके भी चेक कर सकते हैं ना, पीसी तो सेम ही आएगा.
बेटा कैसे भी कर लो, बट उसने अगर ये लिखा है कि डू बाय रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ द कॉग्ड hat, then my suggestion is, because then people would expect you to do like this.
Okay, sir.
So it should show up like this. What you do in the background, you can keep checking whatever way you want, subject to time allowing you to do so in exam, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is up to you. What I'm saying is उसको ऐसी लाइनें दिखनी चाहिए so that you can figure out. He's convinced that ठीक है यार, हाँ, this is done by this method, right? That's all.
Okay, sir.
If the question is silent, then you see this method is unnecessarily cluttering my plot. I'm not able to figure out kaun sa bisector kiska hai. Oh, I have used different colors, so it's okay. On the chart, it can really become confusing at times, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's what I'm saying. So this method is not a user-friendly method. I don't know why somebody is putting the questions, but it has been put here. What I can't help it. Okay, now mind. Let's not go into it. Please take down this as resolution of terrestrial cognet.
सर अगर ये क्वेश्चन में सेम में अगर इफ दे आस्क कि फाइंड द ट्रू सॉरी द कंपास एरर एंड एवरीथिंग तो यहाँ से
next rest everything is same ना बेटे.
Rest everything is same. Okay.
But once you get the position, rest everything is same.
Okay.
Resolution of the cognet is only to find the fix. After that, it has nothing, no bearing, right, on the process, right? No effect on the process.
Correct. Okay.
Okay. Guys, look at this question. At 1000 hours, a vessel steering 080 degrees true observed Keldy light. This was in one of the second mid paper, which I said was okay. At 10:30, the Keldy light bore 000. At 1100, it bore 330. At 1112, Helvig light bore 094 degrees. Determine. Okay. Now, this question, I don't have the plot. I'll explain to you what the issue here is. Now, Keldy light bore 000 at 10:30. So that means, let us say here is Keldy light. It bore 000 at 10:30. It bore at 1100 hours. It bore 330. अच्छा उससे पहले क्या था? It bore 030 at 1000 hours. Okay, 030 like this. 1000 hours. Then 000 at 10:30 and 330 at 1100 hours. The PLs will be somewhat like this, beta. Yes or no?
Yes,
correct? 1000 hours bearing of Keldy is 030. For 10:30 it is north, and 1100 it is 330. And then he gives another PL at 1112. We did two questions yesterday in which we had the position, we had two PLs at 2040, that platform A and B, which could give us fix at 2040. Correct? So there we had two PLs simultaneous. But here, the third PL is for 1100 hours. The fourth PL is for 1112. Is that clear, beta? Do you understand the difference?
Yes, sir.
What we will do is, we will use 3-point bearing method to create a 11-12 hours position line. This is what I want to cover with you. I'll create a PL for the same time as the fourth PL by using the 3-point bearing method. Okay. Now, what will I do? I will, through 3-point bearing, I will find out the CMG. For that, what will I do? I'll draw any line here. Ratio of time is 1:1. Whatever distance I take here, same distance I take here. I transfer the middle bearing. And I'm sure you'll agree. This will be the CMG. X to Y will be the CMG. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose somebody had taken lesser distance. Then where will he get his CMG? He'll get his CMG here, but both the CMGs will be parallel to each other. That you agree with me, right? He gets maybe PQ, right, as CMG. Correct, beta?
Correct, sir.
Okay. Now what you have to do is listen to me carefully. Though the person who has got PQ as the CMG, the person who gets PQ as the CMG, he measures PQ from the chart. Okay. And this distance PQ is not actually the distance made good, but whatever is the ratio here, in the same proportion, he extends this line and finds a point 12 minutes later. That means if measures PQ, distance PQ is done in how much time? In 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour.
In 60 minutes. In 1 minute, it will be PQ by 60. In 12 minutes, it's PQ by 60 into 12, so many miles, whatever he gets, right, Bete?
Yes, sir.
Then he opens his compass equal to this distance, puts the compass at Q and cuts off a point here. Don't circle anything, no fixes, only a point. Let us say point R. Join Keldy light to R, and this becomes 11:12 PL. How does this become 11:12? Now I'll explain to you. If a person has got the CMG XY, you see, when he does the same exercise, XY by 60 into 12, his distance will come here at Z, right? YZ. His distance will come more. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So basically what will happen? Wherever the ship may be, whether the ship was at P, then he gets this point R and gets this as the PL. If the ship was at XY, he gets Z as the point, he gets the same PL. So wherever the ship may be, I don't know where it is, but if you extend in the same ratio, you will get this blue PL in any case, and that will be 11:12 PL because you have used for 12 minutes beyond, right? Understood, Bete?
Yes, sir.
Guys, please try to recall what I have said, and if there's any doubt, let me know.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, this 11-12, that bearing was from other lighthouse, no? Helvig
That
light.
we are yet to plot. We have just created an additional PL of 11:12. This we have created. This is not the bearing that is, we have not drawn the bearing given in the question.
Okay. 11-12 from Caldy, sir, you draw, right, sir?
Yes, we have created, we have used the 3-point bearing to create a fourth PL for 11:12. Okay.
Okay.
Now when I draw that 11:12 Helvig light PL, then wherever the two 11:12 PLs will intersect, that will be the 11:12 fix. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understood, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So this point R, if somebody has got CMG as PQ, he'll get point R on the extended CMG line. If somebody got XY, he'll get Z as the point. So whether you get R or you Z, your 11:12 PL will be same because that point R is to be joined with Keldy or Z has to be joined with Keldy. So your PL will remain same. Are you convinced with the method now?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
And then now if here is the Helvig light, this is the Helvig light, let's say, and it's bearing 094. So this is 094 11:12 PL. So wherever the two intersect, this becomes the fix at 11:12. Yes or no? Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Okay, that gives me fix at 11:12. And what do I do thereafter? I can transfer the CMG through 11:12 fix, and now this becomes 1000 R fix. This becomes 1030 fix, and this becomes 1100 fix. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir, I agree, sir.
Okay, let us say this point is whatever it is. Let's say it is maybe, okay, X dash and Y dash, okay. So what happens? CMG is any of these P2Q cores, X to Y course or X dash to Y dash, they all represent CMG. What is SMG? Now, X is the position at 1000 hours, X dash is the position at 1000 hours, this one. Y dash is the position at 1100 hours. Distance between X dash and Y dash is the SMG. Yes or no, beta? Am I
Yes,
clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
And for set and rate, from 1000 hours, you'll draw the CTS and the engine's distance, and you'll get the DR at 1100 hours or 1100 ही निकाल लो. DR at 1100 hours, and come to fix at 1100 hours, you'll get the set and rate of current. Yes or no for 1 hour?
Yes.
Once you have the fixes, you can get the DR at 1100 hours. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Correct.
So what is it that I have taught you in this primarily? Creation of a fourth PL using 3-point bearing. Creation of another PL by 3-point bearing. So you can give this name to it. Creation of additional PL by 3-point bearing. Please, you can take screenshot of this one, and you can also put it down somewhere wherever you have written the terrestrial cog dat. Please write this down so that you are not taken by a surprise. This was a question in the MD exam for second mate some years back. So it should not happen that it finds place somewhere in the mates exam. So please be informed on this method as well. Today I thought before I take the next topic, let me just finish these some typical issues, because otherwise towards the end sometimes they slip our mind and then we may just miss out, you know. So are these two things clear, beta, that I have done today until now?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Okay, iska screenshot ho gaya, guys?
1 minute, sir.
So this position R, we can take it out from the baseline also.
How can you take from the baseline, beta? Tell me.
This time is the time ratio we have. We can extend the time ratio and then draw the perpendicular. Can we do that?
But I doubt you'll be able to do that. I doubt you'll be able to do that, because that will always come at one point only. Yes or no?
Yes.
What will you do if you draw? What I'm saying is, I don't want to mess up this plot. If you get a point somewhere here, then where are you going to get the point to join with Keldy? Where are you going to stop?
Okay, so like this is for
यार तुम लोगों को ना अपनी लाइफ कॉम्प्लिकेट करने में बहुत मजा आता है. मुझे समझ नहीं, मुझे कहाँ से पॉइंट लेके आओगे बताओ जरा, मुझे प्लॉट करके भेजो जरा स्क्रीनशॉट. What are you trying to say?
Just try and send.
No. Okay, no. What are you saying? You are saying that from, let us say you got PQ. You are saying you go 12 minutes here, right?
Yes, sir.
And then where are you going to stop? This blue line was not there. Where are you going to stop? But that will cut the 1100 PL, no? How will you get 1112 PL is my question.
No, just the point R only I was asking.
But how will you get R by dropping something from top? That's what I'm asking. Here the R is on the extended CMG line.
Okay.
Right. You are saying extend the CMG line, is it?
Yes, sir. Extend this PR.
You are saying extend the CMG line and drop something in the same ratio.
Yes, sir.
बेटा रेक्टेंगल बनेगा वो रेक्टेंगल बनेगा तो सेम आएगा, नहीं आएगा सेम, जरूरी नहीं है, नॉट नेसेसरी.
ओके सर, तो ये PQ रेशियो से उसको R का
PQ की रेशियो में आगे R जाएगा, because it cannot be a fixed this thing, right? Because what will happen is this is here, no? if you get this point by extending 12 minutes. So say somebody has PQ in further right section will happen here, or XZ it will happen inside.
Yes.
Correct. Yes or no?
Yes. Correct.
So are both are going to get the same real? They will not get the same real.
Yes. But we are going to be PQ.
That is like better. That is possible. Better is possible. Both are right. One is more convenient. Your method is not right. Other saying so there's nothing to choose between the two, right?
Yes. But like we the PQ.
Yeah, why PQ? Somebody get as XY. So what will happen to that person then? What your problem?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay, fine.
Sir, last part calculation
अरे भाई yes, तुम्हारी मर्जी है get the DR current, right? Second rate. 11 को सीधा नहीं जाएगा 11 12 करने के लिए रेट कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. You get the point.
Yes, sir. DR 11 but it's still
if you are taking 11 DR, you join 11 takes it taking 11 DR, you join 11 points, right?
Yes.
And but in case you take 11 that is 1 hour time, right? So you directly get rate of current. But if you take 1 hour 12 minutes triangle, then you get drift from 1 hour 12 minutes, right? Yes. And you have to work out the rate of current. Right. So that's your choice. Okay. So this is the important thing I want to know this.
One question. Regarding rate, if in the question is only about rate, we don't have to rate.
Are without the. I thought you should have said the question separately. You should have said that there are asking for should you calculate rate. You're asking for that.
Yes.
What have you asked just now? The triangle will give you drift. Yes, duration is a triangle. Yes, that's correct. If the triangle is for 1 hour, that has to be rate.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
The triangle is going to give you drift. So your question should have been, if the question is asking drift, should I calculate rate? That should have been a question, right?
Yes.
Absolutely. I mean, if the question is asking drift, then the drift you must say for how much duration is the drift. Or else you convert it to rate.
Okay. Thank you.
So in this case, if you are using 11, 12 minutes and you are getting certain drift. So you can either, but here the question is very clear. Here use rate. So there is no compromise in this one, right?
Yes.
But if the question said set and drift. So if the drift is say 2 miles, you say drift 2 miles in 1 hour 12 minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
But if you use rate, you get more convenient, right?
Yes, sir.
The question is asked about the drift.
I said that if you are giving drift, if asked the question, your answer for the drift must be accompanied by drift for how much duration.
1 hour 12 minutes.
In this case, 1 hour 12 minutes, whatever the case is, right?
For the whole interval.
Yeah, okay. I don't know why. Let's see why people would have asked this question. Is this the same name? This is different. This is different. Okay. This was okay. At 2000 hours, bull point goes 087 degrees true from our vessel. At 2020, Lundi Island southbound goes 78 and 2050 for Heartland light goes 335 degrees true. Find the position of the vessel at 2040 if the current was setting so much Yeah, this is fine. Okay, fine. Let's look at this one. Steering 100 degrees through at 14 knots, a vessel at 14-16 hours observes full point 30 degrees on the starboard bow. What do you get 14-16, guys? Yeah, but what does it give you? PL. So what is the direction of PL? Tell me quickly. 070?
Yes, sir.
From full point, yes or no? Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
This angle doubled in 27 minutes. After 27 minutes, this became 60 degrees on the starboard bow. So it was on the starboard bow. My mistake. So this will be 130, right? Yes, sorry, my mistake. This angle doubled in 27 minutes. That means now this became 160 degrees, right?
Yes.
And at what time? 14, 16 plus 27. So much of interval, right? At this time. Correct, beta? At 15, 13 hours, this light was a beam. You get another PL. So you have three PL from the same point. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
But the language in which the PLs are provided has to be. So he has provided you the PL information, but in a tweaked manner, so don't get confused. Current is known to be setting 330 degrees true. Okay, the current is setting 330 degrees true. Find the time bearing and the distance from star weather light when bull point would be if height of I is 6 meters. Okay. So basically why I put this question here is, see the language. On reading it, some of you may go for a spin, but don't lose your calm and focus. You can convert them into two bearings, all the three bearings from bull point. The three bearings will give you CMG, of course. Okay. The current is setting 330, so you have the correct. Okay. You may have the speed on top, I don't know, but primarily this question has been picked up for that particular reason. So you have the CTS given, you have the engine speed given. Guys, we have 4 elements now. How many elements are given in the question? Read the elements.
Yes, sir. There are 4 elements.
Which is the fourth one? Very good. This what you do, it becomes a running next question. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here, I plotted something in front because 14, 16, you get a PL, which is from bull point 130, correct? It's come on the screen, right? 27 minutes later, that means 14:23, it becomes 60 degrees on the starboard bow. The PL becomes 160 degrees true from bull point. Then at 15:10, it becomes a beam, that means 190 degrees true. Correct? These are the three PLs for 14:16, 14:43, and 15:10. Am I right?
Right, sir.
Then let us say here is the bull point. This is 130. Okay. Then this is 160, 14:43. This is 190, 15:10. Do you agree with the three PLs now from bull point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we can use 3-point bearing. Interval, you can use the interval between them is whatever the interval is the same or different, 17, 27, and both are 27, so same interval. Correct. 27 minute interval, 27 minute interval, right? This is also 27, this is also 27, correct?
Yes, sir.
1:1. So you draw the middle bearing from here. And this becomes the CMG. A to B is the CMG. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Once you get A to B CMG, now you have CTS, you have engine speed, and you have set. What is it that we draw next? Engine speed, course, or set? What do we draw next?
CTS.
From where? A or B?
From A.
From A. Okay, we draw CTS, and for 54 minutes, we mark off engine distance. Why? Because between the first and the third PL, interval is 54. So AC is the distance for 54, engine distance for 54 minutes, right guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now through C, we will draw the set.
330.
Yes. This is D. Where is point A transferred to now? A is transferred to which point?
So we will extend that B.
Point B.
This is point B. This is the question. Where is A transferred to?
C.
So 14, 16 PL will be transferred to D, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. First getting deep.
Correct, that's the transferred PL. Right? And this becomes 15, 10, 6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This vector triangle, you agree, is for 54 minutes? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can do the remaining part. Remaining part is find the time, bearing, and the distance and star weather from star weather light. So find the time, bearing, and distance from star weather light. Okay. When the full point lighthouse would dip. So now, do you agree the ship's position will remain on this line? If nothing changes, no, sorry, not on this line, my mistake. It will be CMG drawn to 1510.
Yes.
The ship's position will remain on this line, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you can find out the last sighting range. I have not done that part now here. Last sighting range of Bull Point, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And whatever is the last sighting range of Bull Point, you will open your compass that much, put on the Bull Point and cut it here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this will be the tipping position, Bull Point tip position.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
You will give the left log of the position. He wants the position. He wants the bearing. So from star weather light, you can give the bearing of this position. This position Z. You can give the bearing from star weather light. And distance you can give. And the time now. Time from 1510 to this Z. This is the distance to be made good. Using speed made good, you can find out what time you expect the vessel to be at Z. Is that clear, Beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question was little differently worded. Let me just show it with the neatest thing. You can take a screenshot later. You see, here comes the CMG is transferred. Will the vessel be on this line? Now CMG line, yes or no?
Yes.
So vessel will be, this is the vessel position shall be on this line, until there is a change. So to find last sighting range of Bull Point. Third cutoff arc from Bull Point on this CMG line through 1510 PL, 1510 on this green line. And wherever you cut that is the point for which the answers are required and can close the question. Will you be able to close this question, guys?
Yes, sir.
So you see, the question was quite simple, but the way he has started giving the PLs, that can sometimes be little bothering if you are not familiar with the question, right, beta?
सर ये चार्ट नंबर कौन सा है?
बेटा देख लेना किसका, मेरे को क्वेश्चन लेके आता है, मैंने ऐसे कर इसमें क्या रहेगा क्योंकि बच्चा थोड़ी ज्यादा बेटा।
नहीं, ओके।
If now suppose I say रेंज करके मैं काट के यहाँ कहीं भी मैं अगर वो बना दूं पॉइंट, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? बेयरिंग टेस्ट भी हुई तो कॉन्सेप्ट which matters ना, right? I don't know whether maybe it is on the second page or whatever, but some people brought it in the class last time. That's why I retained it here. It was a good question. Okay. Can we see the next one?
Sir, can you please repeat after transferring this CNG at 50?
What is the question? What you tell me? How will you complete the question after that? You should be knowing that now.
Is asking to find the time bearing and distance from star where light vessel. And
आगे भी तो पढ़ो ना.
And when the bull point lighthouse.
And नहीं. When the bull point dips, he wants these things. It's a continuation. And नहीं word. So you will find out where will the bull point dip, right?
Yes, sir. We will get a will plot a circle.
Yes, from bull point, and then उस point का आपको time bearing distance सब देना है scar weather light से, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? It is not, and you are reading the question wrong. That is why you had the concern, right, beta? When the bull point light dips, you have to give the position, bearing, and the distance and the time from scar weather light. Okay, beta? That is how the question is worded. इसका मेन कैच यहाँ पर था बेटे, रिलेटिव बेयरिंग वाला. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see the next one. Altered course, adjusted speed. Oh, ये तो अपना वो है, ठीक है. मेरे बाद का नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, बाद में आ जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. What is this? Scar weather light bore so much at 1950 hours from your ship while proceeding at 280 degrees at 18 knots. At 2100 hours, Helvic light was a beam to starboard 1 mile off, and just then the course was altered to 240 degrees true and speed reduced to 15 knots. Okay, now what do you think is why this question is here? Would somebody like to tell me? Anji. What do you get at 1955? What do you get at 19? Where you get a fix at 1955. Everybody agrees?
Yes, agrees.
What do you get at 2100 hours?
Sir, PL.
Relative bearing PL.
That's all?
No, sir, fix it. 1 mile
Sir,
off.
fix, we get fix.
You get fix, okay. You get 2 fixes, okay, beta? Now, between 1955 and 2100 hours, okay, you have the CTS 280 degrees true. You have engine speed 18 knots, correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Between 1955 to 2100 hours, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So, can you find current, that means set and rate experienced by the vessel?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is why the question is experienced by the vessel. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 1 hour 5 minutes.
1 hour 5 minutes, you make the triangle, find the, basically from 1955, find the DR at 2100 hours and get the second drift. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And from there you can get the rate. Okay. Now, whatever current you determine here, that is the catch. This current needs to be used for solving further. At 2100 hours, CTS set is 240 degrees 2 and engine speed equal to 15 knots. Correct, beta? This is what is done at 2100 hours. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So from 2100 hours, what is vessel experiencing? Vessel is experiencing 240 degrees true into 15 knots engine speed, and it is also experiencing the current calculated up to 2100 hours. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you have four elements here. CTS 240, you have 2100 fixed. From there, CTS is 240, engine speed is 15 knots, set and rate you have obtained. So can you find out, now can you make 1 hour SMG from 2100 hours by making the vector triangle from 2100 hour onwards? Can you get the CMG and SMG by making 1 hour triangle, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now once you get that, he says time when the Lundy Island light will be shut off. It must be getting obscured. Lundy Island must be getting obscured. So you will get a PL by sector boundary and the position of the vessel at that time. Wherever this CMG line will cut that PL, that is the point where Lundy light will be shut off. Correct, beta?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm sure this is the chart. The Lundy chart was here somewhere. We had this chart a while back. Let me see if I can show it to you. It's here somewhere. This was in different context, but never mind. Or let me just zoom it here while I'm necessarily going there. ये कौन सा चार्ट है मुझे नहीं पता, पर ये देखो इसमें कहीं पे ऑब्सक्योर्ड है क्या ये साउथ लाइट? ये क्या कुछ लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे बेटे? समथिंग इज रिटन हियर आई थिंक.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. दो बार ऑब्सकर्ट होगा, नॉर्थ और साउथ.
I don't know. We'll have to see this chart more clearly. Because he's saying shut off means there will be a sector in which it may be obscured. ये लिखा है यहाँ पे, देखो कुछ.
Yes, sir. नीचे और 2 PL है.
ये लिखा हुआ है ना कुछ? पता नहीं कौन किसका है.
Electronic chart है sir. Can I share in group?
Please share. And then you can plot this on the chart. This question can be plotted. It's a decent question. It's not a bad question actually. कर दो share. बेटा ये क्वेश्चन देख के तुम्हें लगा कि इतने बेसिक करने के बाद ऐसे questions, if you're not familiar, so the best thing is go to past papers, start solving them. The more questions you familiarize yourself with, more you will be understand the language they use, tweaking they do, and more comfort you will have with the questions as you go further then. कर दिया बेटा?
कर रहा हूँ 2 मिनट.
भेज दो.